Hi. Ah, there it is. Yeah. Hold on. Let me get my key out. I knew I'd get you. I knew I'd get that cute little meow, that little squeak meow. Yeah, good morning. Yeah. Let me get the bowl. He's like, get out of the car, Mom. I need my breakfast. Guess what? Your foster feral dad, Steve, he sent us food just for you. Yeah. Isn't that awesome? Hi. Good morning. Hello. So pretty. Hello, good morning. Sentry's already been fed. And I got my gym time in. Sat in the massage chairs, you can tell. It was wonderful. Yay!